Oh my god. I was sneezing so hard, my whole body in a spasm. I couldn't even pick my phone up. And again, just before bed, and if I turn around, we're all ready to go to bed. And just before bed, I started sneezing. Oh well, folks. I just wish I could catch my sneezes when my body is totally out of control. Maybe I should ask my partner to record me. Oh, yeah. Anyway, folks, there's been a football tournament. We actually live in the countryside. And at the back of our house is a lot of football fields from our village. And once a year they have a football tournament. And everybody in the Netherlands who play football, women and men, come here to play the tournament. So there's music until about 1 o'clock in the morning, 2 o'clock in the morning. And then when it's finished, we can eventually go to bed. And just before I go to bed, I start sneezing. So it's keeping me even longer out of bed. Well, anyway, folks, yeah. I'm going to go and try and get some rest now. Love you all. Bye.